Good morning, girls.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Good morning. Yesterday, I think so. Yesterday, how many problems
Morning,
you have
ma'am.
completed?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma. Yesterday, how many problems you have completed?
Fifth one we did, ma'am.
Got the correct answer. Yesterday, I think so. I stopped one problem, and some people, some girls, they was asking me to show the balancing, right?
Yes, that is
Yes,
fifth.
ma'am.
You have done the homework problem. You got the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I think so. Yesterday, I was showing the fifth problem, and in that, two people asked me the balancing, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is so low.
My voice is coming low. Now it's okay. Now it's coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Yesterday, I was showing the balancing part, right? So as you can see, when we are doing the total, at time what is happening? Your credit side cash amount is coming as 2030, and this side when we are doing the total, this side total was coming as 15,15054. So sorry, 1050 is coming. 1050 is coming. So as you can see here, debit side is more and credit side is less. Debit side is more and credit side is less. So what we are doing? We are doing the subtraction. 2030 minus 1050. So amount is coming as 980. So what we have done on the credit side, we have written it as buy balance carried down 980. Buy balance carried down, the cash column, we are writing it as 980, right? And like that only what we are doing the balancing of the bank. So when we are doing the bank total, debit side is coming as 15,054. When we are doing the total is coming as 15,054, and your credit side is coming as 22,986. So coming to the debit, credit is
896.
more. Okay, coming to the debit, credit is more. That's why what we are doing here. Here again,
Yes.
debit side we are writing it as
Subtraction.
two balance carried down, and subtraction when we are doing, the amount is coming as
7,000.
7,842, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is nothing but, as you know, that
Ma'am,
debit side will write the receipts and credit side
your
will write the
voice is
payments.
breaking
Now
very
it's coming.
bad.
Yes,
Now it's
ma'am.
coming.
No, ma'am. Yes. From
Okay,
your
ma.
side.
So as you know that debit side will write the receipts and credit side will write the payments. So bank, as you are saying that credit side bank payments are more when compared to the receipts. That's why it is called as a overdraft. That's why balance came under the debit side, right?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
so this is what we have done here. We have written it as two balance carried and amount here. Okay. So as you know, whenever we are writing the carry down, opposite side we should write as brought down. So your buy balance
Yes.
carried down, opposite side I have written it as two balance brought down. Date will be the 1st July. Amount I have written in the bank, sorry, cash column. Again, this side also I'm writing 1st July, buy balance brought down, amount in the bank column.
Bank column.
Right?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
No. Okay. Now next problem.
Ma'am, please explain eighth problem.
Sixth one. Yesterday I have given homework.
No, ma'am. You didn't say.
Sixth one and seventh one. Once you go through, I am explaining now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Ma'am, not saying nothing.
Yes, girls, you have seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt ma in the 6th and 7th problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You see
No, ma'am.
properly. No doubt. No doubt. Even
No,
seventh,
ma'am.
even 7th also.
Ma'am, sixth problem 20 and 3.
6th problem.
20 entry.
1 minute ma.
Drew from
Problem 20.
bank.
Drew from bank. It is nothing but a contra entry ma. Cash withdrawn from bank is there, no? That shortcut they have given it as due from bank.
So cash to bank, no, ma'am.
Cash to bank, right?
Ma'am, 12th entry, 6th problem.
The problem?
12th entry.
12th one. Gave a check for cash purchases. So it's a purchase. Purchase means a payment, no? So you should write as buy purchase and amount in the bank column because they are giving the check.
Purchasing through check.
Hmm.
Ma'am, only if they have given Drew from bank, there is no personal or office, so we have to take it for bank on
Yeah.
office
For
use
office
only.
use, for office use only.
Okay.
Ma'am, paid wages contra entry, ma'am.
Why contra entry paid wages is a payment? It will come under the credit side. Buy
So
wages.
due from bank is contra entry.
Due from bank is a contra entry. Still in doubt in the 6th one?
No, ma'am.
Now 7th one? No.
Ma'am, 18th entry.
Which one?
18th, 6th problem, 18th entry.
Yes. Actually, this is the main doubt you should ask, but only one girl is asking now. As you can see, received from Suresh a check for
2000
rupees
minus
1000. In full settlement of
will
account
get
of
the
rupees
discount
2000.
as 30.
Actually, from Suresh they have to receive
Yes.
2000, but they are receiving only 1970. So 30 rupees is a discount. 2000 minus 1970 you should do.
Yeah.
Whatever difference amount will be there, that is a discount.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In the 7th one?
No.
18th
Ma'am,
and
this fifth one, cash received from sales of investments.
Hmm.
So cash account debtor to sales of investment, the whole amount should be taken.
Cash account debtor, why you will write cash receipt from sale of investments. So
Only
it
to
is a
sales
receipt
of investment.
to sale of investments you should write. And as you can see, actually they are receiving 4,900, out of which 1,250 they are depositing in the bank. So what you should do means bank account you should write 1,250. So
Yes.
4,900 minus 1,250 you should do. I think so if you subtract, the amount will be 3,650, something like that it will come.
Yes, ma'am.
That amount will come under the
3,650.
cash column. That amount will come under the cash column.
Okay, so we should not take to sales of investment total amount.
No, total amount you should not take.
Take 3650. Okay.
Yes. And still any doubt?
No.
Shall we proceed for the next one?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, ma. 8th one, right now I'm showing. Just 2 minutes, I'll draw the format. Till that time, you also draw the format in your books.
And ma'am, the 7th question, 18th entry, purchased from Wahid for cash. So we need to write only by purchase account only, no?
Yes.
Need not to write the Wahid name.
No.
Okay. And the amount will be under cash column.
Cash column.
Yeah. That's it.
Yes, girls. Now, eighth problem, you see, I drawn the format. I'm showing. Later you copy. Now, see, year is 2013. Coming to the date 1st January they have given. As you can see, first they have given it as cash in hand, balance at bank.
Balance brought down.
So they have given cash in hand, balance at bank. So we should write as to balance brought down. This is nothing but the opening balance. Cash in hand amount will come under the cash column as 5,375, and coming to the bank column, amount is 15,490. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Then cash sales. Coming to sales, sales is a receipt, so it will come to the debit side. The
To
date
sales
column date, here I should write as to sales account.
cash.
Cash sales they have given, so under the cash column should write the amount as 6,400. The next transaction they have given it as paid into bank. Coming to the paid into
Contra
bank, it's a
entry.
contra entry, right?
Yes.
So contra entry, two sides also we have to show the effect. Date is 5th. Paid into bank is nothing but the entry will come as by bank account. In LF column we should write C. When you're writing the bank, amount should come in the cash column. And this side also we have to show the effect. Date is 5th. Here it will be
To cash
to
account.
cash account in LF
Bank.
column C. And when you're writing the cash, amount should come in the bank column. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Now, next transaction you see, received a check for rupees 700 from Satyam. So as I said that whenever received check they will give, question we have to see that whether the same day they have deposited or not. As you can see, under that line only they have given that paid into bank Satyam check, right?
The next day, yeah,
Ah,
on 8th.
so,
Yes, ma'am.
so 6th they are receiving and 8th they are depositing. It
So we have
means
to
on the
write
same day they are
cash.
not depositing. So whenever same day they are not depositing, we should write the amount in the cash column.
Cash column.
So what I am doing now in the date column, I'm writing the date. They are receiving the check from Satyam. So to Satyam account.
Under
700 cash.
With the entry.
To Satyam account, and coming to the amount is 700.
700.
Write in the cash column.
Column.
Here we are writing under the cash column. Why? Because another day they are depositing. The same day they are depositing, we should write in the bank column. Otherwise, we should write in the cash column only. The next you see paid into bank Satyam check.
Contra
This is a
entry.
contra entry. So coming to the date is 8th. Here we should write as by bank account. Again the LF column C. When you're writing the bank, amount
Cash
should come in the
column.
cash column. And
To
here it
cash
will come
account.
to cash account in LF column C. When you're writing the cash, amount should come in the bank column.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
No.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Next, see, paid to Anurag by check 980 and discount allowed by him 20. Paid to Anurag. We
By
are paying
Anurag
the payment
account.
to Anurag. So it will be by Anurag
Discount
account.
20.
We are receiving the check. That's why I'm writing the
Bank
amount in
column.
the bank column. And even discount also they have given it as 20. He is allowing to us means we are receiving. That's why it will come under the discount received.
No,
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am.
The next you see cash purchases.
Buy
Purchase is a payment. It will come under the credit side. Buy purchases account.
2,000.
Cash purchases, it will come under the cash column as 2,500.
Due from bank.
The next is drew from bank for office use. This is a
Yes,
contra
bank to
entry.
cash.
Bank to cash.
Next,
We are withdrawing the cash. Cash is
cash
coming.
to bank. Sorry.
So it will be by cash account. When you are writing the cash, amount should come in the bank column.
By cash.
When you are writing the cash, amount should come in the bank column. And
To
here
bank.
it will be to bank account. In LF column, you should write
cash.
C. When you are writing the bank, amount
Under
should come in the
5,000.
cash column. 5,000. The next is received check for rupees 950 from Lakshman and allowed him discount 50. As you can see,
Yes,
again
ma'am.
19th one paid to bank Lakshman's
Yes.
check they have given.
So under
So we have
cash,
to
we
write
need
in
to write
cash
950.
column.
Ma'am.
Given, right? Yes, ma'am. So this entry we have written. The next entry was paid into, sorry, received check for rupees 950 from Lakshman and allowed him discount. Okay.
Account.
So on 15th we are receiving, but 19th we are depositing. That's why again the
Cash
amount will come
column.
under the cash column. So coming to the date is 15th.
To
We should write
Lakshman
as
account.
One account.
to Lakshman account.
Discount 50.
Amount will come under
Under
the discount is
50.
50
Cash.
and coming to the
950.
bank.
Cash.
Cash 950.
950.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
The next you see cash sales. Coming to the sales, sales is a
Sales.
receipt. Coming to the date is 18th. It will come as to sales account.
Under
Coming to the
cash.
amount is 7,500 under the cash column. You should write.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Then next you see pay into bank Lakshman check and cash rupees
Contra
4,000.
entry.
Means in the bank, it is a contra entry in the bank. Whatever the check amount is there, that also they are depositing along with the
Yes.
cash.
So
Right?
add and write, no, ma'am.
The contra entry.
No.
Mhm. Yes, we should add and we should write.
4,950 we have to write.
By bank account, we are paid into bank they have given. That's why by bank account contra entry. When you are writing the bank amount should be
Cash.
at the cash column. As you know that the check amount is 950 and coming to the cash
4,000.
is 4,000. 4,000 plus 950 is 4,950.
Yes.
Yes.
Right?
And here also.
And here you should
To
write
cash
as
account.
to
Out.
cash account. In LF column C, when you are writing the cash, amount should come under the bank column. Right? Any doubt?
No.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you
The
repeat
next you
this one?
see paid into bank Lakshman check and cash means in the bank they are depositing the Lakshman check along with the cash. So when we are depositing, the entry will be bank to cash. So coming to Lakshman check is 950 and coming to the cash is 4,000. 4,000 plus 950 is 4,950 and 4,950, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The next you see cash paid for stationery.
By
It is a
Stationery
payment
Payment.
under the date column date and we should write as
of 120.
by stationery account. Coming to the amount is
120 under cash.
Under the cash column should write as 120.
120.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The next you see paid commission to Rakesh. Again paid they have given.
So
It
by
is a payment
Commission.
by commission.
by commission account. Coming to the
Under
amount
cash,
is
500.
500. The next received a check for rupees 1,000 from Mohan and paid the same into bank. They are receiving the check and same day they are depositing.
So under bank we have to write.
Under bank we have to write here
To Mohan
to
account.
Mohan account.
Under bank
Coming
1,000.
to the amount is 1,000.
1,000.
The next Lakshman's check dishonored. Whenever dishonored will be there,
account.
opposite
Reverse
we have to
entry.
write
By Lakshman account.
by Lakshman account. As you can see here, Lakshman account, when we have written 50 discount was there and 950 this amount was there. This two also we should get cancelled.
And under bank 950.
Okay. Any doubt?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next, drew a check for rupees 800 for personal use. Coming to the
By
personal use,
drawings
personal
Drawings
use is
account.
drawings.
By drawing.
Coming to a date,
Ma'am, explain 27 entry.
27th entry they have given that Lakshman check dishonored. Dishonored means opposite side we have to write. Opposite side is nothing but the credit side. We have written it as by Lakshman account. As you can see in the Lakshman account, we have written the amount as 50 and 950. The same year writing here. Right?
Yes.
The next you see by Mohan, sorry. The next is
Drew a check.
drew a check for rupees 800 for personal use. So it will be
By drawings.
by drawings account.
Under bank 800.
So under bank amount will be 800.
800.
Then next they have given it as paid salaries by check 1500 and by cash 500. Paid. It is
By
a
salary.
payment
By salaries,
By salaries.
under cash
by salary
500,
account.
500
Cash they
and
are paying 1500 and coming
and
to
in
the
bank 1500. In cash 500, ma'am.
cash
in cash
500.
500 and bank
Bank
check
1500.
The next you see bank charges 20, insurance premium 520 as shown in passbook. Clearly they have
We
given
have
it
to write
as
540
passbook means
by
passbook means
bank charges.
Bank.
bank. So
By bank
the date
charges.
31st by
By bank
Bank
charges.
charges.
bank charges.
20.
And these
Under
two also
bank
we should
column
add.
540.
These
No,
two
under
also
bank column 20.
yes, ma. These two also we should add and we should write.
Yes, so 540
20
under
plus
bank
20
column.
will be 540.
मैम इंश्योरेंस अलग है बैंक चार्जेस अलग है ना तो
So,
बाय
bank
बैंक
charges
चार्जेस बाय
and-
इंश्योरेंस
you can ma. You can.
ओके
Okay.
Yeah.
After this, what we should do? We should do the balancing part you do.
And 25th is contra entry.
20
Ma'am.
why it's contra entry, they have given that received check from Mohan. So when we are receiving the check on the same day we are depositing, just we are writing it as to Mohan account and amount in the bank column.
Ma'am, I'm having doubt in 27th.
27th they have given that Lakshman check got dishonored. Whenever dishonored will be there, we have to write under credit side. So credit side we are writing it as by Lakshman account. Whatever
So,
discount
ma'am, here in debit side, we wrote the amount in cash column, na?
because on the same day they are not depositing, that's why we have written in the cash column, but later they have deposited, no? Later they have deposited, no? We have written no, here 4,950 we have written, no? Right?
Yes, so we have to write 4,950 here.
Why 4,950 we will write here along with the cash they have did, no? Your cash is not get cancelling, no?
Acha.
Only the check amount is getting cancelled.
So, only check amount is getting cancelled. Okay.
That's
Okay.
why we are
Thank you,
writing
ma'am. I
From
understood.
by balance carried down will be under cash 9,600
1655.
and
And under bank
19,000
19,370.
and
Answer came
total
correct?
will be total will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
under
Correct.
cash 25,925 under bank 29,140.
29,140.
Okay, totaling part you do, ma. Okay.
19th entry.
19th one, paid to bank, Lakshman check and cash. Paid to bank is nothing but it is a contra entry. So we written it as by bank account. Under the left column we have written C. Lakshman check amount is 950 and cash amount is 4,000. So 4,000 plus 950 is 4,950. And here also we have written it as to cash account, contra entry, and under bank we have written it as 4,950. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you
Balancing
show
part
the
you have
whole
done.
problem?
Girls, if ma'am is explaining, please don't repeat beside her. We can't understand her.
Yeah, girl.
Finished, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma, we'll proceed for the next one. Now, 8th one we have finished, no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, 9th one. Make out the 3-column cash book of Ram and Mohan from the following particulars. Again, few transactions they have given and is asking us to prepare the 3-column cash book. And one more thing I want to tell you girls. As you know that only how many problems left now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 problems left. Today is Friday and tomorrow is a Saturday, no? So I'll see that today how many problems you can able to complete. That will complete, and tomorrow we will finish this chapter. After finishing, most probably I'll try to check everyone notes. And second thing is, whatever doubts you're having in this chapter, tomorrow you can ask me. Okay, then Monday freshly we can start the new chapter.
Ma'am, and one more thing, that triple column cash book note.
Yes, ma'am. So first, will you write the notes?
Yes.
Otherwise, shall I start first? Shall I explain one problem? Then we'll go for the notes.
For what your convenience, do that, ma'am. आप जैसा बोले.
First we'll complete the problem, then I'll give the notes.
Okay.
Okay, ma? Ninth one first I'll complete. So till I draw the format, I'll take the attendance. Girls from Malakpet, raise your hand. Girls from Malakpet, raise your hand. Again, I won't repeat those who are not raising the hand, their names.
$15.
Okay, lower your hands. Girls from Shalibanda, raise your hand.
Teacher, as I am co-host, my option is not there.
Okay, okay, I'll keep present for you.
Jewelry lower.
Ten girls did not raise the hand still. Juveria Sultana. Are you there, Juveria Sultana? Mehnaz? Sleeping? These girls are sleeping. Juveria Sultana, Mehnaz. Neha Begum. Shaista. Umehani. These girls are sleeping. Not answering the attendance. Already I said those who will not answer, their loss only. Okay, ma, down your hands.
Ma'am, heading we have to write 3-column cash book in every problem, no?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma, I'm starting the problem. Now you see first cash in hand, bank overdraft they have given. Coming to the cash in hand, this is the opening balance. That's why what we should do.
Ma'am, your voice is so slow, ma'am.
Now it's coming
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
for everyone problem or only for one girl is problem.
Only for her only, ma'am.
Only for
Then
one.
her so for her only it means in her phone only some problem is there, I think so. So debit side I'm writing it as to balance brought down. Coming to the cash in hand amount I'm writing under the cash column. To balance brought down, cash in hand amount I'm writing in the cash column. Right? As you can see in this problem, they have given it as bank overdraft. Whenever they will give the bank overdraft, we should write under the credit side because it is a payment. That's why what I'm doing again, credit side, I'm writing it as by balance brought down. So under the bank, whatever the bank overdraft amount is there, that I'm writing under the bank column. Any doubt?
No.
Ma'am, why we write by balance brought down?
Because in the problem they have given it as bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is a payment. That's why we are writing under the credit side as by balance brought down. Bank overdraft amount we are writing in the bank column. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In the same line, they have given it as paid salaries for March, right?
Yes, by salaries.
So paid salaries is a payment.
Payment.
Paid salaries is a payment. That's why what I'm doing under the payment side, again I'm writing it as
By salaries.
by salaries account.
Cash.
Under the cash column, I'm writing it as 250. Okay.
Ma'am, if the salaries or something payments are not from this month also, we need to calculate. It is of March, no?
Yes, we should
So
calculate
this
if
is
they're giving
April.
it. Yes, we should calculate.
But
next
ma'am,
year,
the year is different, no ma'am? It will come under 2012, no? Because 31st March will be the ending, no?
I didn't get your question. What you're telling?
Ma'am, this
Before April only,
transaction is for
2013
March,
of
no?
March only will come now.
So,
Before
our
April, but no, before April, 31st March will come. So
so
31st
on
March
1st
will be
March
last
we are
month.
doing this, no?
why you are thinking that we are doing on the 1st March? They have given clearly that from 1st April they are giving the transactions. So 1st April only will calculate. No, why are you March? Why are you going to the
Yes.
other year at 2012? All that.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
So buy salaries I have given. Sorry, buy salaries I have written. The next you see purchase goods for cash sales. In one transaction, sorry, in one question, 2 transactions are there on one date. So
Yes, ma'am.
separately I'll write. Coming to the second date, coming to the purchases, it is a payment. So I'm writing
By
it as
purchase 30.
buy purchases. Coming to the amount is 30. Again, they have given it as cash sales. Coming to cash sales, it is a receipt. So receipt side, I'm writing it as 2nd April date to sales account. Okay, cash sales they have given. So I'm writing the amount under the cash column. Right? Sorry, 80 rupees, no? Sales is 80. The next they have given that issued a check in favor of Krishna and company to settle his account for rupees 270.
By Krishna.
Okay. They are issuing.
Discount receipt 10 rupees.
By Krishna.
So here by Krishna account. As you can see, they are receiving the check. That's why in the bank column, I'm writing it as 260. In full settlement of account 270, they have given 270 minus 260 will be 10. So
10.
discount received is 10, right?
Yes.
Next, they have given that received cash from Dhawan. Received, they have given. Received means it is a receipt. I'm
Yes.
writing
To
debit side
Dhawan.
to Dhawan account. To Dhawan account, they are receiving the
Discount
cash.
is
The amount
15.
will come under the cash column, and discount also they have given. So under discount column also discount amount I am writing.
15.
The next you see received a check from Ali and brothers in full settlement of their debt rupees 200. And they did not give no that the Ali's and brothers check deposited in the bank like that did not give no. So we should
Yes.
assume that on the same day they have deposited.
So
So what I'm
under
doing,
bank account.
date I'm writing as 5th only. They are receiving the check from Ali brothers. So to
Ali bro.
Ali brothers account. So they are receiving the check of how much? 190. So 190 I'm writing the bank
10
column
rupees we
and
are.
10 in the discount column. 200 minus 190 is 10 that I am writing. The next you see cash sent to bank. It is a contra entry.
Contra entry.
Deposited only, no, ma'am?
Yeah, cash sent to bank is nothing but deposited only. That's why it is a contra
Bank
entry.
to cash.
By bank account. In LF column, we should write as C. When you are writing the bank, amount should come under the cash column,
Cash
right?
column.
Amount is 200 only, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Here also we should write as to
Cash.
cash account. In LF column C, when you're writing the cash, amount should come under the bank column.
Bank account.
Then next, they have given that check issued in favor of Ravi and brothers for purchase of furniture. It means that they are purchasing the furniture, for that they are issuing the check, right?
Yes. Buy
Coming to the
furniture.
date is 5th. We should write as buy furniture account. Coming to the amount is 150. They are issuing the check, that's why we are writing under the bank column. The next you see check of Ali brothers dishonored, bank debits in respect of charges too. Means here Ali and brothers check got dishonored. So I'm writing under the credit side as by Ali brothers. Discount column, discount amount I'm writing. As you can see, the check amount is how much? 190. Your bankers are charging more 2 rupees, right?
Yes.
So 190 plus 2 will be
Yes.
how much?
192.
So I'm writing it as 190.
192.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The next is paid rent by check. They are paying the rent.
Buy rent account.
By rent account.
Teacher,
And
I didn't
bank.
understood this Ali brothers, this 6th dishonored. Can you explain please once?
Just a minute. Only one transaction left. After this, I'll explain. By rent
Yes.
account. Check they have given. That's why I'm writing the amount under the bank column. The next they have given that bank collects interest on securities. Here bankers are collecting, means it is a receipt. That's why it will come under the debit side as to interest on securities. Okay, bankers are collecting. That's why I'm writing the amount under the bank column, right? Yes. Now one girl asked me that 6th transaction did not understand it. Check of Ali Brothers dishonored and back debits in respect of charges. So here, whatever the from Ali they have received the check, it got dishonored. Whenever dishonored will be there, we have to write under the credit side. That's why written on the credit side as by Ali Brothers. Discount amount was 10. That is under this received I have written. And coming to check amount is 190. So 190 I have written, but bankers are charging here 2 rupees extra. The 2 rupees I have added here. That is 192. Right?
Okay,
Still
understood.
in doubt? Still in doubt now? In this problem, any doubt?
Ma'am, fifth
No,
date
ma'am.
entry.
No, ma'am.
Fifth three are there, ma. Which one you are asking me? Tell me. Fifth date
Received check from
transaction.
Ali Brothers. In full
Received,
settlement of debt.
received check from Ali Brothers. We are receiving the check. So it is a receipt. That's why we are writing it as to Ali Brothers. Okay. Discount we are receiving as 10 and check amount is 190. On the same day they are depositing. That's why we are writing it as 190 under the bank column.
But they not mention na ma'am same date deposited.
As I said you that, suppose if they did not mention that Ali Brothers check deposited in the banks like this, another transaction is not there, means we should assume that on the same day they have deposited. Same day they have
Okay.
deposited, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, show credit side na ma'am.
Balancing part you do, ma.
Ma'am, cash is coming different.
Cash.
Balance is coming 135.
Yes, ma. For
Different, ma'am.
Yeah, 135 only correct actually.
Okay.
145.
Check ma properly once in different answers. Don't
No,
give
it
me.
will be 135.
It's 145, man.
Yeah, ma'am, bank is right. It's overdraft 612. Overdraft, ma'am.
Now I'm giving the notes for 3-column cash book. This one we have completed, no? First I'm giving the notes for 3-column cash book. Write down the heading as 3-column cash book. Already you left the place, no? 3-column cash book. Written my heading 3-column cash book.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma, write down the cash book which contains bank column in addition to the cash book which contains bank column in addition to
Which contains
bank column in addition to discount and cash columns, discount and cash columns, written discount and cash columns is called 3-column cash book.
Return, ma'am.
Written
Yes.
is called 3-column cash book or cash book with cash book with
Yes, ma'am.
discount, cash and bank columns. Discount, cash and bank columns.
Can you repeat one?
Cash book with discount, cash and bank columns. After that, you write the following points must be noted. The following points must be noted while preparing cash book. While preparing 3-column cash book.
The following point must be
Noted while preparing 3-column cash book. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you take out page number C6, I'll make you take, if I'll give links, it will take so much time again. Take out page number C6.
Yes,
Take
ma'am.
out it. In that first point, you see opening balance they have given. Opening balance they have given. No, in that the opening balance of cash in hand, cash at bank is written on the debit side as 2 balance brought down. Till there you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Till there, then you see the last line in that. In case of bank overdraft, it is written on the credit side as by balance brought down. That much you have to write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to the second point. Second point, all the receipts will be written on the debit side. Cash receipts will be entered in the cash column and checks in the bank column.
Yes, ma'am.
Till there. Till there only you write enough. The next third point.
1 second done, ma'am. Second point, ma'am.
Second point you have written completely. You have ticked whatever I said.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Third
ma'am.
point.
Can you repeat second point, ma'am?
All the receipts will be written on the debit side. Cash receipts will enter in the cash column and checks in the bank column. Till there. Third point. All payments are entered on the credit side. Cash payments in cash column and payments through check in the bank column. Till there. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Coming to the fourth point. Now fourth point. Second point you see. Second point is there, no? In the second point they have given if a check is received and deposited in the bank. Continuation. After bank column, second line, second point, second line.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the fourth point. That is the fourth point you have to write as if a check is received and deposited in the bank on the same day, then it should be entered in the bank column on the debit side. If check received but not deposited on the same day, it must be first debited in the cash column.
Where, ma'am? Where?
Same continuation. I did not disconnect anything here. Same. That is the fourth point. Again, I'm repeating. If a check is received and deposited in the bank on the same day, then it should be entered in the bank column on the debit side. A check received but not deposited in bank on the same day, it must be first debited in the cash column. Till there. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Come to the fifth point. Fifth point you have to write as contra entry. Or contra entry. For contra entry, I'm giving my. You write down this line for contra entry. Contra entry. The entry which comes. The entry which comes on two sides of 3-column cash book.
On two side of
3-column cash book is called contra entry. Contra entry. For such entries, letter C is written in LF column.
For such entry,
Letter C is written in LF column. Written?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
The following are the cases. The following are the cases in which, under which contra entry will occur. Written?
Yes.
First one you write. First case. Cash deposited in the bank. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Second case, cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from bank.
Can you repeat the first case, ma'am?
Cash withdrawn from bank.
Yeah, next.
Third one, check deposited into bank. Check deposited into bank.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one, when bank account is opened. When bank account is opened. Over?
Yes, ma'am.
These points you have to write. Now sixth point, page number C7 you see. Page number C7, in that fifth point is a sixth point here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So in that up to by drawings account is enough. Up to by drawings account. Sixth point you see, if there are bank charges debited by the bank, that no need to the business concern, then is there no that no need to write that words. Just if there are bank charges debited by the bank, it has to be entered in the bank column of cash book on credit side as bank charges.
Ma'am,
Okay.
repeat it once.
If there are bank charges debited by the bank, it has to be entered in the bank column of the cash book on credit side as bank charges.
This is 7th point.
Yes. The next point, if interest or dividend on securities is collected by the bank, then it has to be entered in the bank column on debit side as to interest or dividends on securities.
Repeat it once.
Just in that sentence, you have to strike as per our standing instructions, that words you have to strike. Over. Now next point.
Yes.
Proper reason. Again, I won't repeat. Concentrate and listen. Next point. If a check received from a customer and deposited in the bank is dishonored, it should be entered on the credit side of cash book in the bank column as by the concerned party name. Till there. Again, I'm repeating. If a check received from a customer and deposited in the bank is dishonored, it should be entered on the credit side of cash column in the bank column as by concerned party account name. Till there.
Done, ma'am.
The next balancing. The discount columns are totaled but not balanced. The cash columns and the bank columns are balanced. Exactly. Again, I'm repeating. The discount columns are total but not balanced. The cash columns and bank columns are balanced exactly in the same manner as indicated as for simple cash book. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Time is up. I have to go for the next class also. Now, next problem, I'm giving homework, ma. Yeah, I'm giving the options to you. I shown the 9th one, 10th, 11th, 12th. 3 problems are there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
And also 6th, 7th, ma'am.
listen, 11th and 12th, sorry, 10th and 11th I will show, 12th one you do.
Okay, ma'am.
12th one you do. It's easy, 12th one you do. Okay?
6th, 7th also.
Okay. No problem. It will not take hardly 1 hour also for doing this homework.
Girls, Arabic teacher is coming. Okay, I'm adding her.
Sarah?
Yes.
What is the point? Problem with me?
I don't know. Actually, I'm not having textbook, so I didn't take it. I only wrote the points which she was dictating.
Just which
No
point
problem,
you
ma'am.
want?
Problem. 8th and 9th. Actually, I've done mistakes. I want 8th and 9th problem.
Okay.
9th problem. 1 second.
9th problem.
9th problem. I'll send you, okay? In group, okay?
Okay.
Because 9th problem balancing, I didn't did. I have to do that. And 8th problem, I did everything. I will send you, inshallah. Okay.
Mariam,
After balance, will you send me 9th problem also?
Yes, yes. I will send in MS Science.
Okay.
Mariam,
Yeah, बोलिए.
Mariam, preparing pre-college कैश बुक के जो नोट्स बोले मैम, उसमें कितने केसेस हैं?
4 cases है. Contra entry के cases पूछ रहे हैं ना आप?
हाँ,
4 cases.
4 केसेस. तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट 5th हेडिंग डाल के जो मैम जो बोले ना टिकर है ना रीडर में.
Ma'am is there, Sumaya.
ओके ओके.
Okay.